Alright, people, we back. Hit this down real quick. You know you gotta watch a little TV when you're working. You know what I mean? Either that or listen to some music. I'm tired of listening to music right now. But anywho, welcome back again. And man, like I mentioned, man, we're working on the Malibu right now. So in order for me to get done what I need to get done, I gotta make these AN fittings. Not AN fittings, I'm sorry. I gotta make these AN lines real quick. So, part finally came in. So I'm gonna screw this on real quick. Alright. So that's that. AN fitting down on that side. So I just gotta do the AN fitting on the other side real quick. Now we got the ends down. So this is gonna be the hose from the radiator to the the trans coolant, that's right. So that's done now. So all we gotta do is get this trans coolant in place. Hook all this up, put the fan on, put the shroud. Actually, no fan shroud. Put the fan on, and we're gonna put the brackets on it. We should be good to go, man. Start feeling this thing going cool. Now that I've done the lines for the Malibu, went ahead and put them on. Everything is in place on the Malibu right now. And on top of that, y'all surprised, we got a big box, big package in today. And then we're gonna do the unboxing on that. Yeah, got the SS running. Head out real quick, man. Get a tire plug, which I got tire plugs here, but I don't feel like doing it. So definitely gonna do an unboxing on that, man, and get that uncovered today. As soon as I get back. And yeah. Getting this one done. We're gonna get it done, you dig? So stay tuned. So stay tuned, you dig? Up here right now, man, trying to get this tire plug, man. Like I said, I could have did this by myself at the house, but I ain't feel like taking no tire off today and plugging no tire today. Probably would have been quicker, to be honest with you, but it is what it is. So waiting in line. Car rolled extremely cool on the way over here. I'm a little nervous about that. Cars, you know, they typically perform best at they operating temps. And I think mine's is somewhere around like that 180. Right now my joint running between 165 and 175. So I don't know if that's a good or bad thing. It could be a good thing. But I don't know. I'm gonna look up some stuff. Anywho, let me tell you. One of my pet peeves, man, is people feeling entitled for some stuff, man. There's a lady right now up here. Y'all can't make this up. It's a whole line of people out here, and she just pulls her car straight up to the bay. Like, hey, I need my tires checked. My man said, it's gonna be a minute. Oh, okay. So she backs out of the bay to let her car out. And then she pulls in front of the bay again. So now no car can get in the bay. You did. Can't make this up. Can't make this shit up. Why people be like that, man? I don't get it sometimes, but it is what it is. And now look, now she doing the feet tapping. You know what I mean? And that whole nine. Oh, my man come over and be like, well, yeah, man, we gotta get him first. You know, woo. Move her right clean out the way. He wouldn't be wrong for it, but it's a whole line. Now she taking her glasses off, looking. Wow, man. Wow. So, we're gonna see, man. We're gonna go and get this tire plug, and then we're gonna keep on moving. You did, so stay tuned. I saw it too. It's like right in the center somewhere. Man, she riding, man. Yeah, I did. I need to do better with that light situation. But she definitely riding. I don't know how I feel about that one. The 160s. 168. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's definitely at 168 at a standstill right now. We're gonna see. We're gonna see, man. So heading back right now, man. So we're gonna go and get back to the house real quick and get back to work. You did. Stay tuned. See what's to this box. You think these joints gonna be put together? I sure hope they put together. Oh, it's put together? It's put together? I didn't think it was gonna be put together. This box is a little narrow. The joint fit me good. You know what I'm saying? No. Oh yeah, you're gonna have to. It's too narrow. It's too narrow.
Just my thigh is.
It's uncomfortable, ain't it?
That's not uncomfortable. It's just my thigh is on. It's cushioned, so it's not uncomfortable.
What about the other side, the back side?
I can't, because how this is, I can't sit, like I don't go all the way back. Like my back don't touch the back.
Dang. Dang. Send them back. Oh, man. Yeah, this, I don't know, y'all. I don't know about these seats. It's a little narrow on the bottom half. I mean, it fit me good. It fit me good in the mud. But you know what I'm saying? You know, the ladies, they be having a little bit of cushion. So, I'm a little guy. Or anybody.
Nobody
Like literally anybody that's
Nobody you know.
yeah, anybody that I know ain't gonna be able to fit in these seats. That joint is not the move, man. Look what it's literally right on me. So it fit me good. Guess I gotta ride dolo. Guess I gotta ride dolo in that joint. Look, it fit me good right here and all. It's hugging on me. Like I'm in the center of everything in this seat. Go on, measuring this. So it's about a little shy of 19 inches on the biggest part. And the biggest part is 19 inches. Let's see it get narrow back here to like 17. Well, some get 19 and a half right there. See from clean across, this seat is bigger, but it's because it curls. These seats are dope, man. These seats are really, really dope. Because of the size of these joints, they ain't made for everybody. I'ma just be completely real, you dig? I'm a thin guy. And when I say thin, I mean thin. You know what I mean? So this right here, if you got you know, a little mama on the side and she thick up, yeah, things might start getting a little weird for the knees seats, you feel me? or them brothers, you know, them beefy boys. These ain't gonna be your seats, you dig? And I ain't gonna hold you. I measured and measured and measured, and literally these were the biggest, widest seats that I can find in a race style. I'm sure they'd probably make another seat where the bottom part lays a little bit flatter. If it laid a little bit flatter, then you'd be all right then. You'd be all right. But overall, the quality of these seats, man, they tough. And then people were talking about there was play in the backward movement. Shit, ain't no play in these shits on the money here. They tight. They tight. So that's it, man. You know what I mean? That's what we got. This is what we gonna do. Then we can't include them. We just gonna keep them. You know what I mean? The Gbodies, they, you know, that's exactly what they are. They, you know, get up, get out in them streets for a little bit, come on back. You did, that ain't, you know. But taking a trip in these joints, yeah, nah, probably never gonna happen. So we ain't that too big, you know, we ain't concerned about them. But anywho, man, that's gonna be it for this vid, man. I appreciate y'all for checking in, man. We're gonna get back to work on the Malibu. We're gonna get this thing going. I gotta tackle these brakes, and off the paint she go, you did. Oh, but before we get that paint vid, you already know we gotta get a test drive in it, so stay tuned.